everybody, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to make some hot water cornbread to go with our meal. Quick, easy, 2 ingredients, and one of them's water, a little bit of lard, and we got some bread. The first thing we're going to do is boil us about 2 cups of water, because I don't know how much we'll need, so we're just going to 2 cups of water and we're going to boil it. Alright, it's just Randy and I, so we don't need more than a cup of cornmeal. If you're doing a family, you know, you'll probably need 2 cups and 4 cups of water to start, and then, but let's just get this going. All right, so there's my cup of cornmeal. It's just plain yellow cornmeal. And I'm gonna take my boiling water and a handy dandy whisk, and we're just gonna pour about a cup to start. Yep. All right, just a little bit more. I gotta hold the bowl. Looks like I am going to need that whole 2 cups, but I'm not going to put it all in there at one time. Just a little bit more. I'm almost to the consistency I want. Little bit more. This cornmeal's just like flour. You know, you can't give exact measurements because you never know from one time to the next. But that's what I'm looking for. A batter that won't quite go through, but does. Yeah? That's what I'm looking for. So it took 1 3/4 cups. For today. Okay, and we're going to get this pan hot. Now I'm using my fish cooker. As y'all know, I like to not have a bunch of batches. I like to get it all done at once. And I'm going to go, I need it fairly hot to fry that cornbread, but I don't want to burn it. Oop, wrong one. I think I'm going to like medium high on both. I'm going to slide that fish cooker right up there on both eyes. Okay. And I need a couple of good tablespoons of oil or lard. I like lard because it browns the best. I may not need quite that much. Let's put some of that back. Let's put a little of that back. Got a little heavy-handed. I just want to coat the bottom real good. So maybe 1 good tablespoon. This kind of tablespoon. Bang, 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 bang. All right, now we're gonna let that get nice and good and hot. Okay, should be hot enough now. We're just gonna drop that by the spoon. Just mash them just a little bit flat. We love hot water cornbread with beans. Oops. And I'm still gonna have to have 2 batches, huh? That one's a little high. I'm gonna turn that down just a hair. My back eye doesn't get nearly as hot as my front one. So what I'm gonna do is move these that are nice and pretty and brown over and bring these up here and let them get brown up here. Oop. Yep. Look, nice and golden brown. My first 6 are absolutely perfect and done. My hot water cornbread is ready for supper. Yeah.